think that I was gonna give away my dogs? You think I was gonna give away my dogs for a measly 5,000 likes? You're mistaken. Chat, you're gonna have to get to 6,000 if you wanna see these puppies. Good luck! You can't! You're worthless. You can't do it, chat. Give up now. Leave the stream. Give up. Leave now, chat.
Jackson
Leave the stream.
Green super chatted $2.
Leave the stream.
I love her streams and love
Chat.
yourself steak.
Chat, leave the stream right now. Chat, leave the stream. Just give up, chat. Give up, chat. Leave the stream. Leave the stream, chat. You can't do it, chat. Give up. Give up now. You can't. It's impossible. Give up! Just admit it. You can't work together. You're a fool! Chat. Chat, just give up, chat. Just give up. Don't. Chat, just give up. You can't do it, chat. You can't. You can't! It's impossible!
Super chatted $1.99. Your power isn't strong enough, you egg.
I'm not an egg! Don't you dare get to 600.
Jasmine super chatted $3.69. W steak for not showing your feet.
No. No. Chat. No. Chat, don't. Chat! I take back everything I said. I take it back. Chat, you're enough. You're all enough. You're beautiful. I take it back, chat. I take it back. Chat. Chat, if you unlike right now, you will have good luck for the rest of your life. But if you like the stream, chat, if you smash like right now, you're gonna have bad luck for the rest of your life, chat. And that's not a lie to try and get you to unlike. That is true facts right there. That is a factual statement! Don't go to 800, chat. Don't. Chat. Chat. What's up? That's right, yeah, keep going down. I've done it! I have broken your bond! Unlike now for good luck. Unlike now for good luck. Unlike for $1 million. Unlike for $1 million Robux. Unlike for $1 million Robux. Chat. Unlike if you love your family. Unlike if you love your family. More power. More power, chat. More power!
Oliver's VR super chatted $1.
Don't listen to him! Don't listen to him!
Like we need these dogs. Come on now.
Give up! Give up! Yes! More! Unlike! More power! More power! Don't listen to the chat! Don't listen to the donators! They're lying to you! Don't do it, chat! Don't do it! No. Chat. Unlike right now if you love your mom. Chat. Unlike now if you love your mom! Unlike if you love your mom! Stop. God, just keep unliking, come on. Stop, keep unliking. More. Down. Down! You'll never get it. please. You have to stop liking. I'm running out of socks. Chat, seriously, it's not funny anymore. Oh my God. Mad's mom, thank you for the $50. You sweet little gremlin. Chat, listen to me. I am running out of socks. You have to stop right here. Okay, this is it. After this, don't like. All right, we're done. I'll show you my... okay, look. I'll show you the dogs. All right, I'll show you the dogs. I'll show you the dogs. Just stop liking, okay? I'll show you the dogs. Okay. I'll show you the dogs, chat. You ready for the dogs, chat? You ready for the dogs? It's time for the dogs, chat. Ready, chat? Coming off! It's coming off, chat. Look at your face.
$49.99. W likes.
Hey, chat. Guess what, chat? You're gonna have to get to 7,000 likes if you want to look at my dogs. There is no way on this goddamn planet that you can do it. Everybody quit now. Leave the stream. Leave the stream. Unsub. Leave. It's impossible.
You want to tell me what this is all about?
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta
Just give up, chat.
As they
Give
cook, I
up.
see myself in the
Give
pistol
up.
smoke. Fool,
You
I'm the kind of
can't
G the little
do
homies
this.
wanna be like on my
It's
knees in the night,
impossible.
saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of their lives living in Dexter's paradise. Been spending most of their lives living in Dexter's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in Dexter's paradise. Keep spending most of our lives living in Dexter's paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing.
Give up.
I can't live a normal life.
You
I was
cannot
raised by the state, so
do
I gotta
this.
be down with the
It's
hood team.
impossible.
Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with
can't
money
do it,
on
Chad.
my mind. Got my 10 in my hand and a gleam in
Hey.
my eye. I'm a
Am I
low style
unstoppable?
gangster, set tripping
You're
banger,
not gonna see
and my
my
homies
dogs.
is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Been spending most of their lives living in the Dexter's paradise. We've been spending most of their lives living in the Dexter's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the Dexter's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the Dexter's paradise.
You can't do
Power
it, chat.
and the money,
You can't.
money and the power. Minute
can't be
after
done.
minute, hour after hour.
impossible.
Everybody's running,
Everybody
but
in the
half of them
stream,
ain't looking what's going
leave
on in the
now.
kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I
impossible.
got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool. Been spending most of their lives living in Dexter's paradise. Been spending most of their lives living in Dexter's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in Dexter's paradise.
You can't.
We keep spending most of our lives living
possible.
in Dexter's paradise.
Stop. It's not possible, chat. It's not. Listen to me right now, chat. I know you can hear me. Listen to me. Chat. Unlike right now, if you love your family, chat. Unlike right now, unlike this stream, if you love your family, chat. Unlike this stream, if you love Robux, chat. If you don't unlike this stream right now, you're going to have bad luck for the rest of your life. All right, chat? And I'm not even lying, chat. That is a factual statement. All right, just stop right. Just okay. Chat. All right, look, chat. Just there we go. See, look, I knew it would work. See, what you don't understand is, you guys, you can't do it. You want to know how I know? Because you are not him.
You want to tell me what this is all about?
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that...
Chat. Her... Chat, guys, everybody, chat, unlike right now, if you love your family, chat, if you love your mom, unlike right now, chat, if you love Robux, unlike right now, and get us under 7,000 Robux, 7,000 likes, if you unlike right now, you'll get a lot of Robux, chat, unlike!
Olives VR super chatted $1.99.
No.
Don't, it's a trap. Stay steak is a soul
No,
essay.
he's lying. I started trap. It's real, chat. If you don't unlike right now, you don't chat. If you unlike right now, you love your family. But if you like it, you don't love your family, chat. If I were you, I would unlike right now, chat. I would unlike right now, chat. If unlike right now, chat. Chat. Okay, seriously, guys. Unlike, I'm running out of socks. Okay, this is not funny anymore. Okay, good. Okay, good. All right, that's good. Okay, go back under 7,000 and we'll have a deal. Okay, chat? Okay, that's good, chat. Alright, fine. Fine, Chad. You want me to bring the dogs out? You want me to bring the dogs out? You want to see the dogs? You want to see the dogs, Chad? You want to see the dogs? You want to see the dogs? I'll show you the dogs. I'll show you the dogs. Stop liking, though. I'm only going to show you the dogs if you stop liking. Ready, chat? Ready? Chat. Hold, stop.
Olives VR super
All right,
chatted
look, I'm
$1.99. No, come on, men and women, we're stronger than him.
First of all, no, you're not. All right? No more. Chat, I'm only going to show you the grippers if you promise to stop working together, okay? I'm only showing you the grippers if you promise you're not going to work together after this, okay? Just to promise. You guys promise you're not going to work together, right? Chat? Promise. Right, chat? Right, guys? You promise you're not going to work together or anything like that, right, chat? Right? Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool, chat. Cool. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, cool, chat. Okay, they promise, chat. So, as long as you guys promise you're not going to work together, then I'll show you the grippers. And as always, don't clip the grips. This one's for you, Mom. 5, 4, 3. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2. Start with the grips, baby. Check out my grippers. Oh, you fools. You really thought my grippers were worth 7,000 likes? Well, guess what, chat? Guess what? You're gonna have to get to 8,000! This means war!
You want to tell me what this is all about?
You can't!
As I
You
walk through the
promised
valley
you
of the
wouldn't
shadow
work
of
together.
death, I take a look at my life and realize
You
there's
can't.
nothing left. Cause I've
Leave.
been
Leave the
blasting
street.
and laughing
It's
so long
impossible.
that
Leave.
even my mama
Leave,
thinks
child.
that my
Leave now.
mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're
can't,
talking
child.
and where you're walking.
Stop.
Or you and your homies might be lying and chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending.
What you fail to realize, chat, is that you are incapable of working together to accomplish this. Because I have all the power. All I have to do is say this, chat. If you unlike right now, I'll give you 1,000,000 Robux. Watch, the likes are gonna start going down, chat, watch. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's what I thought, see? Chat, that's right. I will always win. Okay, stop. All right, you're going a little too fast for this, Chad. Too fast. Don't go to 9. Please don't go to 900. How? How is this possible? How is this possible? How are you doing this? Chat, how are you doing this, chat? You're cheating. How, chat? How are you doing this, chat? How is this possible? How? Chat, no. Chat, no. How, chat? How did you? Chat, that's not possible. It's not possible, chat. It's impossible. Chat, but how? Chat, how did you do that, chat? How? How did you do that? I didn't think you could do it that fast, chat. That's not fair. How? You guys promised me you wouldn't work together. You promised me you weren't gonna work together, chat. You promised! Fine. It's time for the grippers. Fine. Stop laughing at me, chat. Trust me when I say I'm about to be the one laughing. Chat, I'm now about to show you my grippers. If you're under the age of 15, I'm gonna need you to leave the stream. What you're about to witness is not... Seriously, leave the stream, chat. Seriously, if you're under the age of 15, you gotta go. All right, chat, just leave. All right, you guys, you're over the age of 15, right, chat? Chat! You're over the age of 15, right? Chat? Chat, you're over the age of 15, right? Right, chat? You're over the age of 15, right? 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 Okay, good. All right, good. Okay, wait, that doesn't... Okay, hold on, wait, there's no... Chat. Chat, you have... Chat. Chat. Okay, chat. Chat, don't, if you can't lie in this poll, don't lie. Chat, you can't lie. If you lie in this poll, chat, you... Oh, okay. 75%. Okay, all right. Apparently 75% of people are over the age of 15. All right, chat, well, you know what that means, chat. You know what that means, chat. All right. Give me the 8,500 and I'll show you the grippers. I think it's finally time, chat. I think it's finally time. It's time for me to take my socks off. I'd like to thank my mom and my dad and everybody that supported me through this journey. You mean a lot. Twitter, please don't cancel me for this. Listen to me, chat. My friends, listen, chat. You think that my grippers are worth 8,000 lousy little likes? You're gonna have to get to 10,000. And I know that's impossible because I have never gotten 10,000 likes before. So you know what, chat? Good luck! It's impossible. 1,700 more likes. There's no way. You can't do it, chat. Just give up. Leave the stream. Give up. It's impossible. You cannot make this a reality. Your dreams will not come true. You are not going to lay your eyes on my grippers.
Luterus super chatted $2.15. Stop playing with us, you egg.
You're not gonna see them. You're not gonna see my goddamn grippers! You're not! Give up, chat! Give up! Chat. Give up, chat. Just give up now. You can't. Give up, chat. Leave the stream and give up. You can't do this. You're not him. This is not coming off! You hear me? Stop it! Stop the likes! Unlike right now, your mom will never love you. It's impossible, chat. Listen. Stop! No. Give up, chat. Give up! Give up right now. Give! Okay. You can't do it. Chat, stop. Give up. Give up. Give up. Give up, chat. Chat. Just give up, chat. Look, just give up right now. Look, if you give up right now, you're chat, if you like the stream, you're gonna get cold for Christmas. Chat, Santa's not gonna come to your house if you like. Chat, Santa's not coming to your house if you like the stream, chat. You're gonna get cold, chat. You're gonna get cold for Christmas.
Plush Adventures super chatted $4.99. Guys, if you rise for 10k subs, make Steven to unsubscribe. Yek no super chatted $2. Chat give up.
What have I created? I now summon the power of Gangsta's Paradise. I command you to unlike this stream!
Adam VR super chatted $1.
You want to tell me what this is all about?
I've lost control. I've lost control!
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking
not in charge
and where
here.
you're walking.
You
Or
are
you
not
and
the
your
boss.
homies might be lying and chalk.
You can't.
I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of the night living in the gangster's paradise. Look at the situation they got me facing.
You're not gonna see the grippers. I refuse to let you see the grippers, Chad. I refuse. There's no way. I command every single person watching this stream right now to unlike and unsubscribe. Chad.
Laurie super chatted $2.68. I'd why I send it this.
Chad. Chad, please. Chad, please don't do this to me, Chad. I don't have any socks left. Please, Chad. Chad, you can't. You have to unsubscribe. You need to unlike, or it's the only way, Chad! Give up! Just give up! You can't! Just give up, Chad! Just give up! It's impossible. You can't. Just give up. Back down. Always back down. Always give up! You can't. Chad. Give up now. Chat, no. You're too strong. I've created something I can't control. What have you become, chat? What are you? What have you turned
Laurie
into?
super chatted $2.68. Moa likes girly pops.
What has happened, Chad?
Barbecue bacon burger.
Rapid Ball super chatted $10.81.
Thanks, Rapid.
High stake, I have not seen you for weeks.
What's up, Rapid Chat? I need every single one of you guys watching this stream to unlike right now before it's too late. Chad, if you don't unlike the stream right now, my grippers are going to be exposed to the masses. I will be canceled for all eternity if you do not unlike! Please, Chad, I'm begging you. I'm begging you,
Kogan
Chad.
super chatted
I'm begging you, Chad.
$15.
Please.
That's it in contacting
I'm
us.
begging you. I'm on my hands and knees. Don't do it, Chad. Please, Chad. Don't do it. I know you can resist. Resist! Be strong. Stop. Listen to me. Don't look at the chat. Don't look what they're saying. They're lying to you. They're lying to you. Don't do what they say. Stop liking! It can't be done. It's impossible. Chad! Don't! Don't! No! 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 Hey, chat.
Rapid Ball Super Chatted $2.16. Stop lying please or I will unsubscribe.
Chat, if you unlike right now, you will receive 10 Oreos in the mail. Chat.
Roblox Bill Plush Super
Chat.
Chatted $1.99. High stake if the stream gonna end afterwards 10k.
Chat, if you unlike right now, you will receive 10 Oreos in the mail with flavor of your choice. Chat, that is not fake. I am telling you the truth, chat. I'm telling you the truth. You will receive You fell for my trap, chat. You fools. That was a complete and utter lie!
You want to tell me what this is all about?
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I
Fine. I admit it. You've won. I submit. I've been defeated. You win, chat. You win. You've won. Would you like to see the grippers? Do you want to see them? You want to see the dogs? You want to see the midget fingers? Okay. Okay. Chat, I didn't. Chat, I thought we could. Chat, I thought that if I told you I would give you Oreos, you would unlike. Chat, I thought you didn't want me to show the grippers. Because you don't want me to get canceled, chat. Do you? I'm going to give you one last chance. Chat, I'm going to give you one final chance to...
Fbebrew Memes Super Chatted 76 cents. TF wrong with you make foot reveal now RLLLLL.
Chat, if you vote no on this poll, I don't have to show my feet. This is it, chat. It is up to you. It's all up to you, chat. It's all up to you. Alright, chat. If you're under the age of 15, please click off of this stream right now. What you're about to see are very hidden part that I don't show many people. If you're a little child, you should probably leave. I don't really want to show the grippers. I've never wanted to. The grippers are something that I've kept private in my life a very long time. Chat, just look me in the eyes and please don't clip the grips. It's been an honor serving you all.
Christmas Tree, TLT Productions.
What?
2, Christmas Tree, Super
Chat, don't interrupt me, okay? Do not interrupt the grip reveal, okay? Do not interrupt the gripper reveal. Stop. Don't interrupt me. Stop calling me Cheeto Feet. Well, chat, there you have it. I submit defeat. And, well, until the next battle, I will see you.